believe that alternative energy cannot effectively replace fossil fuels. My first point is that fossil fuels are very reliable, unlike alternative energy. We cannot rely on the weather to power what we will need. The weather is often inconsistent and unpredictable. If the sun is not shining, we will not have enough solar energy. If the wind is not blowing, wind turbines will not be powered. How can we rely on this? According to instituteforenergyresearch.org, 95.4% of our nation's transportation is powered by fossil fuels. How will alternative energy make up for this? There are so many cars, ships, machines, and homes that are being powered by fossil fuels. Sources of alternative energy are not large enough to replace this much energy. I agree with what Senator Gupta said, that the sun's energy is too widely dispersed to create enough solar energy. My second point is that alternative energy is way too expensive. It is too costly to install all of the systems we will need. According to ecobusiness.org, we spend $254 billion currently every year for alternative energy. Do you think this is a lot? Well, just to make an effect on global warming, we will have to spend at least $1 trillion. I disagree with what Senator Irakam said, that alternative energy is reliable. But if the wind is not blowing, how will we have enough wind energy? Same with solar energy. These are two of the reasons why I believe that alternative energy cannot effectively replace fossil fuels, and why you should vote for this bill. Thank you, and I'm now open to questions.
Senator Fulton?
You said that the sun does not shine always, but the solar panels can store energy for days that it's raining or at night.
That is an excellent question, but weather is inconsistent. If the sun doesn't shine for at least a couple days, the solar panels will not be able to store enough solar energy.
Senator Gupta?
Senator, you said that in your speech that alternative energy depends on the weather. What about hydroelectric plants? They use the water, and water will always be there.
That is true, but also, if we have droughts, we won't have enough water, and we'll have to conserve water. How will we be able to use water then for powering things?
Yeah, but you can still generate power from water and drink it later on. Right? And if there's no water, then there's no life. Okay, Senator Singh?
Well, going back to your weather statement, you said that there could be energy cars because the weather is inconsistent, but there have already made cars that are Tesla. The car's name is Tesla, and that they're energy cars.
That is true, but how will we replace fossil fuels for every car to be powered by alternative energy?
Senator Irakam?
Senator, you had stated that we cannot rely on weather for energy. However, there are powerful alternative choices such as nuclear energy. What do you say about this?
Nuclear energy is way too expensive, and fossil fuels are only 1 kilowatt per hour.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Okay, we have